The Indus Water Treaty is an agreement between Pakistan and India mediated by the World Bank. It was signed on 19 September 1960. Under this treaty, both countries agreed to the distribution of 6 rivers' water. These rivers were distributed as under. India got rights on water of Ravi, Beas, and Sutlej, while Pakistan got rights for Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab. Every river starts from some mountainous space and flows down, paving its way down from plains to the ocean. The population and irrigation need water, so all countries have equal rights on the water of a river. A country can't claim total rights on water if a river starts from that specific country or through which it moves to go down entering another country or countries situated at a low level. Taking the Pehalgam incident as ground, India has threatened that she will not act upon the IWT. This is not only a violation of the international treaty, but a willful attempt to halt the river's water to enter into the soil of Pakistan. It will cause a shortage of water and definitely damage the irrigation and canal system of Pakistan. The human population will starve for water. Not only this, even animal and birds population as well as aquatic life in Pakistan will suffer irreparable losses. The international community has criticized this move of India, declaring it is not only against the accorded agreement, but also against the international law as well as the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. On the other hand, India is not portraying her back steps of this unlawful threat. It is the duty of the international community and UNO to make a serious discussion upon settled contents and terms of the Indus Water Treaty. The precedent must be stopped as if it will be allowed to continue. Every rival country will put a barrier of the threats to stop or halt the river water entering other country. Basically, India wants to destroy or disturb the economy of Pakistan, which is already not very well and totally dependent upon the IMF loans. Recently, India also attempted to convince the IMF not to release the loan funds to Pakistan. It shows the long-lasting rooted bad intentions of India for Pakistan. At the same time, India has shown her worries, saying China is in a way to obstruct the water of River Sutlej in Latest territory. This shows double standards of India. For its own purpose, India is blocking water to Pakistan, but for its own benefit, she criticizes China. International treaties, covenants, and other agreements are not liable to be abolished with one-sided strategy or wish. India has already violated the Indus Water Treaty by constructing Baglihar Dam on Chenab River and Kashanganga Dam on Jhelum River. These 2 rivers were reserved to flow to Pakistan under the subject treaty. It further shows the bad intentions of India to deprive Pakistan from its water. India must abolish these 2 dams as these dams have been constructed in violation of the treaty. However, in the meanwhile, Pakistan must develop to save the rainwater and other small rivers' water from falling in the Arabian Sea. Pakistan must raise the water issue with India on a strong and urgent move. Pakistan must also agitate the issue in UNO.